Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a springtime makeup tutorial. So first we're going to take this light pink and just put it on all over your cheeks. And then cover it with this sparkly darker pink. So I'm using eyeshadow as blush because just the color. So then on other cheek. And then we're gonna take some sunset colors like this yellow, this peach, and maybe even a little bit of this. And then some dark orange. Or you can just do whatever spring colors you want. So, but I am gonna take this orange, just put it on my lid. And then I'm gonna put some darker orange over it. Next, I'll put a little bit of yellow, and then maybe a little bit of pink. Just make it look like a sunset or something. Then you do it on the other eye. Just like put some yellow and some orange, some darker orange. Next, we're gonna take this pretty pinky color and just put it at the bottom and let a little bit of the yellow orange show. And next, if you want your eyebrows a different color, you can do any color. I am gonna pick this blue and then put a little bit of purple. But as much as you want, I'm just putting a little on, so. Okay, so now you're gonna take this pink lip gloss and then just gonna put it on your lips. Next, we're gonna put some mascara. I'm picking black because I just want to, but you can do any other color. Now, if you want your cheeks a little darker, you can put on some darker pink. So this was a spring makeup look.